I finally got my hands on the YouFree 5-in-1 hairstyling tool, and beauties, this one took me by surprise because I have literally been spending thousands of dollars on hair tools. I bought the $600 Dyson. I bought another tool the other day that was several $100s. I'm always trying to get perfect curls and the perfect wave, and it hadn't happened for me, and nothing really had seemed to work. I thought my hair just couldn't hold a curl, but then I finally got the YouFree, which is a 5-in-1 curling wand set, and I was not expecting the results. So once the Ufree 5-in-1 curling iron got here, from the moment I used it, I seriously could not believe the results. First of all, it curls your hair, or it also will straighten your hair, because believe it or not, it also has a straightening attachment, because it is a tool with different attachments, so you can create different hairstyles. So you can do curls, ringlets, beachy waves, straight hair, Hollywood waves. The list goes on and on with all the different looks you can create with this 5-in-1 set. And there are just so many different hairstyles you can do. And the best part even, is that the curls actually hold. They truly last. It curls your hair also so fast, you literally cannot believe it. And beauties, it is so affordable too. So not only does this hairstyling tool make perfect curls that actually last and does it super quickly, but it's also made with advanced ceramic technology. It has a high performance heating core, so it delivers consistent frizz-free results literally in minutes. And many of the attachments come with a protective cap, so your hands won't get burned. For the wand attachment though, it comes with a heat resistant glove, so your hand won't get burned when you have that glove on, and it heats up so quickly to either 350 degrees or 410 degrees. It heats up again so quickly, so that is another thing that totally shocked me. And it also has the 360-degree swivel cord, then has these anti-scald design elements, so again, you're less likely to burn your hand. And you can also curl your hair with the straightening attachment as well. So it will make the most beautiful wave. That's how I did my hair today. So this is actually a 6-in-1 styling device. I truly couldn't believe it. That's why I was so excited to come and share this with you. And I love that if you travel, you can take this with you and you can style your hair a bunch of different ways without having to bring tons of tools. Plus it's so much smaller in size than my other tools. And I feel like it weighs less too than my Dyson. It's definitely also smaller in size than the Dyson as well. And also because it weighs less, I feel like there's so much less arm fatigue, and because it's smaller too, it's easier to maneuver it around your head, so you can do your entire head. You won't get arm strain because again it's lighter, and it's just easier overall to style your hair. And because it's not bulky, it will fit in your travel bag easily. And it also does come with this luxe velvet travel pouch, so you can put your attachments and the base all in this one bag and take it with you easily and effortlessly and have your hair done on your travels. So even at home though, it's so great because it doesn't take up a lot of space, and you don't have 5 or 6 styling tools. You just have this one and the interchangeable attachment heads, so it won't take up too much space, say in your vanity or in your when you're getting ready. So with the Ufree, you can style your hair straight one day, curly the next day, glam waves another day, or not day to night, change up your style. You can create so many different looks with this one tool. And I also love how I really didn't feel like it damaged my hair whatsoever since I've been using it. You don't see any smoke coming out of your hair. You don't feel like your hair looks fried or dry after using this. Like with other tools, I will see immediately that my hair looks kind of fried, but not with this one from YouFree. It's just so impressive in its performance and its versatility. Again, because it has those ceramic barrels, it creates this smooth, polished look to your curls, or if you straighten your hair, it will also come out very sleek. And in my experience, there is a huge reduction in flyaways. So here you can see how I was able to straighten my hair with the straightening attachment. And I love how it straightened my hair so quickly and so easily. Mind you, I have very frizzy hair, and normally it takes me a long time to straighten my hair with other straighteners. And the straightener that I have is very pricey. Actually, the one that I've been using is about $250. So that's why I was so shocked when the YouFree 5-in-1 worked even better than the one that I have, which again is very, very pricey. And again, it comes with all those other attachments. So it's really better than the highest of high ends. Plus, you're getting 5 tools or 6 tools in one. So another look that I've been loving is doing these pin curls. Now I was so shocked because I never thought I would like pin curls, but I was just playing around with this because, you know, I figured I'd try all the attachments, but I could not believe it how my hair came out looking with the pin curls. First of all, these curls lasted for days until I washed my hair. As the days went on though, they softened up and they actually became prettier and prettier. They kept transforming into different looks, and each look was almost better than the last. So the curls actually get better. I would never have used a beauty tool that does pin curls, but since it came with the 5-in-1 from YouFree, I figured I'd try it just for fun, and now I can't believe it, but it's seriously one of my favorite looks ever. And I actually felt so good about myself with these curls. Again, they lasted for days and I just felt like a completely different person, and I truly love that attachment so much. It's just so much fun, and again, the prettiest curls. And then there's the pin curl attachment with the clamp, which makes an even tighter ringlet curl. That one is 0.5 inches in comparison to the one that I just showed you, which is 0.35 inches, but they both create these very tight curls. But the one with the clamp will give you a ringlet, but it's just, they're both so beautiful. They're both just the most beautiful curls and ringlets. And then there is the 1-inch wand attachment, which creates these loose, effortless waves that I love. And then there's the 1.25-inch attachment with the clamp, and it's just absolute perfection to create those beautiful, soft, flowy waves. And then finally, there is the dual flat iron, which can either create waves or make your hair straight. That's what I used today to make these waves. And needless to say, I couldn't wait to come and tell you guys about this because it is such a game changer. And I cannot believe the price of this. It is so affordable. And another thing about YouFree is that they have other styling tools on their website. I'm going to check out some more of their styling tools because this one is beyond amazing. So I can't even imagine what their other ones are going to do, because they have hair clippers, they have head shavers, they have different grooming sets for men and body hair trimmers too. And my husband actually asked me recently to cut his hair. So I think I'm going to invest in some of YouFree's clippers and I'm going to do his hair, and I'll let you guys know how it comes out. Maybe he'll let me show you guys. That would be so much fun. So that way, you know, with the YouFree clippers, I can cut his hair at home, save so much time, save so much money, because again, not only is it more cost effective, but it also saves the time of having to go in for appointments or driving to the barbershop when, you know, you could just do it at home. That's why I like to do my hair at home too, myself. And I've already been cutting my own hair. So when he asked me to start doing his hair, I was like, sure, I would love to. So I'm very excited to try out their clippers next. And they also have these hairstyling brushes, which look really good as well. I'd really love to try one of those because they also do have a 7-in-1 curling iron set with a thermal brush, and it's similar to this 5-in-1, but it comes with these 2 additional attachments. So I'm definitely interested in checking that one out, especially they're having a sale now, so I think I'm going to pick up that one next. But YouFree actually did start by creating grooming tools because they felt that many of the products on the market were very expensive, unreliable, and they believed that they could make something that combined performance, design, and affordability. And that's the foundation of YouFree. And after trying this device, after trying their beauty tool, the 5-in-1, I'm like, yes, it's 100%. I think they've truly accomplished their mission, because I'm telling you, you won't believe how amazing this is. So have you tried any of YouFree's hairstyling tools? Have you tried their 5-in-1 or their straightening brush? I'm definitely interested in trying that one out next. But right now, like I said, they are having a sale. So I think they're having up to 18% off. So I'm not sure if the sale is still going on, but I'm going to try to reach out to them too and see if I can get maybe a promo code. But if I can, I will link it down below. But otherwise, definitely check their website because this is so affordable. You're literally not going to believe it. And it actually truly does work better than the highest of high end. So I just wanted to hop on and share this because wow, total game changer. You can do your hair at home, make it look beautiful. You can do your family's hair. You can do, you know, I was talking to one girl and she told me that she was doing her cousin's hair. And she actually told me that she did the entire bridesmaids party with this tool. And she said they didn't have to hire a professional stylist and it came out so amazing. So this tool makes it so easy that, you know, it honestly does all the work for you, I think. So again, I'm going to reach out to YouFree. Hopefully I can get a promo code, and if I do, I will again link it down below. But definitely shop while you can, because again, that they are having that sale. Take advantage of it while you can. I will link this down below so you can shop and pick one up for yourself. So let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite looks are to create, and what is your favorite hairstyles on yourself or other people. Would you try pin curls? Let me know. But again, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to hop on, share this today. I hope you are all doing good, and let me know how you're doing, and I will see you very soon. See you.